Can you put it in sport mode and have it drive you in sport mode?
Yeah, you can. It's on standard mode right now. You can't.
Really? That would be me.
It just accelerates quickly, stops quickly, it does all that crazy stuff. So I like you see how it sees all the things?
Yeah.
It's literally generating the environment.
Yeah, that's cool. It even uses a blinker. Nobody's going to know what to do with it.
Yeah, it uses a blinker. Checks everywhere.
That's
this guy.
That's anti-American.
It is an anti-American. We're gonna wait to see how it handles this little stoplight here.
Yeah, and the right lane closed. It doesn't show it here.
Yeah.
Sees the red light.
Yep. Sees the green light.
Sees the green light. Can it sense stupid people?
Oh yes.
Whew, we cut that close.
Yep. And you would think it's because the four-wheel steering.
Yeah.
So you can make a very sharp
So
turn.
it turned the rear end around.
Yeah, it turns around really quick.
I was waiting for it to hit that curb.
Well, that camera's all the way around the bottom. It's not gonna hit that curve.
Nice big back seat too.
Nice entertainment. You got Netflix and everything in here.
Oh, in the back?
Yeah, it has its own sound environment, so you could just be out there.
Yeah. Cool.
So this is actually going to take us to the alumni drive. I think I need to change that instead of trying to turn.
Oh.
Because it's trying to get the WSC. I think that's right. But
Right.
I'll
Tune it to the water tower.
Yeah, I'll turn it right on Cybertruck.
Yeah. Do you have to terminate it to take over?
Yeah, you can either it's just like cruise control. You can either use the steering because it's really locking right now.
Right.
If you push a little brake, it will disengage, or the brakes. Or you could just push the button that you
Navigate. Okay.
And actually, I think you can. So the other thing is you can make adjustments. Like for example, it's going. I don't like it to be here. I can just push the turn signal, and it'll still take me.
Oh, change lanes. Okay. Yeah.
So we'll see if I do a right turn here, is it going to veer off its or not? We'll find out.
Yeah, it's trying to go up another block.
Yeah, it's not going to. I don't think it's going to. We'll see. It says auto lane change. So now I just let it go, and I just think I just push it right.
Oh, you put okay.
But now if I engage the autopilot, it will make that turn because it's now just driving blindly.
Right. So I
right
assume once you get parked in the lot, you could just store that as your work.
Yeah, I think I could change it. I can just put the address in there. For some reason, I think I just put Wichita State University and just.
I would think you could literally park it, hit work, and have it record it.
Yeah, we'll see. See, it's trying to take that. It still thinks I'm going.
Yeah, it's still trying to go in the perimeter road there. You're having to fight it?
Yeah, I'm fighting it now. Let's try this. People behind me is going pissed. It's like, see, it's still. So like whenever switching back and forth is a little tricky. If you don't like what you're saying.
Yeah.
But the acceleration is freaking crazy. Like,
oh yeah, I know. I've got toys that would blow your mind because they're electric.
You think they're taking my spot here? Actually, it looks like
There's
it's still empty.
one open.
I think the one that I parked is. Oh, actually, it's right there too.
One there.
Oh yeah. I've asked them, the Tesla team, like, why didn't you all do like front face parking? You know, like you cannot do a like auto park. Like
Really?
Yeah, for some.
It only does back?
Yeah, I don't know why.
Huh. Maybe because of the turning radius?
I don't know. I mean, I would think it would be much easier for them to do that, right? You see this? You cannot achieve this with a regular truck, like this level of time. I would have had to back up a few times before I could, you know.
Yeah.
I think we're good.